I think this is a really creative way of communicating the fundamental information that's presented in Table 19.1, which is showing examples of different types of mutations. In this particular case, we start with a sentence instead of a series of codons. You'll remember that AUG is called the start codon and specifies the insertion of the amino acid methionine. And then we can see a series of codons that would specify amino acids, ending with this one of the three stop codons, UAA, UAG, and UGA are the three stop codons. So we start with a sentence as being the norm. DNA has all you can ask for, right? A series of three-letter words corresponding to different types of codons. So the first example, the U is changed to an O. However, that would not alter the pronunciation of the sentence. So if I was reading this sentence to you, you would have no idea that a quote mutation or a typo had occurred to the sentence. Therefore, it would be referred to as an example of a silent mutation. In the next case, you can see that the Y has been changed to an L. And if I read that sentence, DNA has all Lou can ask for, then it would be different. It would be a very different interpretation of the sentence or what was being communicated in that sentence. And therefore, the term missense would be appropriate. You've changed an amino acid. Going back to the biological example, I've changed a word in the sentence to a specific name, which would be quite different than just saying you versus Lou. In the next example, we've had a mutation that has created a stop codon at the word can. So in reading the sentence, DNA has all you, and it stops, that doesn't make any sense, and therefore the term nonsense is appropriate. And then for a frame shift, remember, frame shifts can be caused by insertions or deletions. In this case, we've changed all, an L has been deleted, the Y shifts over, so now I have new series of three letters, and you can see that it doesn't make sense at this point. This is a frame shift mutation, and in the biological case, different amino acids or a stop codon would be inserted. So now I have different quote words, but these words just don't make much sense. They cause havoc with the sentence structure, and they cause typically havoc with the resulting protein. So a creative way, I think, for illustrating a genetics principle about mutations.